Hello everyone, I'm Chaitanya.
I'm Krital Gowda.
And I'm Ishan Rajesh.
We are the Phoenixes team.
Asthma is a common health condition that affects 3% of adults and 20% of children in India. The numbers are similar across the world. However, adults and children with asthma are also held back by social perception.
We have built an app that empowers children with asthma to log the symptoms and participate in medical decisions. This can be used anywhere in the world and can be a part of the digital health initiatives promoted by the G20 countries. We conducted a survey in which we surveyed both children with asthma, some of whom are now adults, and parents of children with asthma. We found that when it comes to societal pressure, children felt that they were pressured to stay away from certain foods and activities. However, parents felt that there was no pressure from society. Participants said that they would like the opportunity to participate in medical decisions.
When we researched online, we found that many professional athletes have asthma. We also found a lot of myths about asthma which had been debunked. Parental anxiety and asthma have been linked in many studies.
A disturbing article published in the US linked asthma in children to Munchausen by proxy, where parents made their children sick or exaggerated symptoms for the sake of attention. Children and young people should start participating in medical decisions and monitoring symptoms independently as soon as possible. Our app addresses these concerns through separate sections for parent and child. The child can log the symptoms and feelings every day. The parent can access information on asthma as well as view the child's log. However, the parent cannot edit the log. The log can be directly shared with the doctor, presenting an accurate picture of the child's experience. The log can be updated as often as the child wants. The app provides information on famous people with asthma, myths about asthma, and some guidance on what parents can do to improve children's quality of life.
If selected for the top 350,
I Chaitanya did the secondary research.
I, Krital Gowda, worked on the coding.
I, Ishan Rajesh, did the primary research and data analysis. You can find the link to our app in the description below. We hope that our app improves the quality of life of people with asthma and empowers them to have control over their medical decisions. Thank you.
Thank you.